Hey, hi everyone. So, guys, I'm live now. So, welcome to the 59th live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. So, I'm going to wait for another 2 3 minutes, guys, and then I'm going to start this live session. So, yeah, you guys can join the live session. Okay. Can somebody confirm me that my voice is audible? Uh, can somebody confirm me that my voice is audible? Guys, if I'll be okay, thank you for confirming me. Guys, I'll be looking at right side also. So there is a screen in the right side, and there is the camera in front of me. Okay, so if I'll be looking right side, so don't get confused, right? So yeah, you guys can join the live session, and you can ask your questions, queries, and all. But there are few announcements which I'm going to make it for upcoming batches. That is batch 5, and then I'll start taking your questions, guys. So whatever the questions you have in your mind related to career, related to batches and all that upcoming batches, that is batch 5, right? And also related to salary, you have seen I have multiple playlists. Anything is fine for me. I'm happy to answer your queries and all. This is why I am here, right? So yes, you can ask your queries, but yes, at the same time I request you to please maintain the decorum of this channel and in this live session. Okay, so don't post anything which is force us to right to block you and all. Okay, because yeah, I believe totally in process. Okay, so follow the process of my channel and my community as well as my live sessions. Okay, and you can ask your queries. Okay, one more thing, guys. Fine. Okay. Okay, first of all, again, good evening to all of you, and you can start posting your questions in the live session, and I'll be answering your questions, guys. Okay. So I think I'm good now, guys, because I'm already late. So my apologies to all of you that I'm late, almost today. Okay. I was in the saloon. Okay. So Sunday and from Monday to Friday it will be full busy for all of us. So we get time only on weekends, right? So I was just having the shave and all. So common thing what everybody does, right? So fine, guys. So here is the big announcement, guys. So most of you are already aware that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp batch 5 is going to start from 10th of November. So I think this I have already posted multiple times in my community post. Even I have make a already uploaded a video in my channel also, and same has been communicated over multiple social media platform, guys. Right? So I request all of you to please go through those videos, right? But anyways, guys, again I'll be repeating the same thing here also, that if you are interested to join 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp where I am covering, let me share you, and then it will be more good for you. So guys, let me know if you are able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Can somebody confirm me? Are you able to see this, right? Yes. Thank you for confirming me this, guys. Okay. Now, see, first of all, those who wanted to enroll into 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp batch 5, so they have to use this URL. This is the official website of our company, that is Abrosh Technology Services LLP. So this company is basically having two divisions. One, it's going to be EdTech division where I am taking the classes normally, okay, with all real-time projects and all. And the second part is basically our product division is there, right? So in the product, we have 2 to 3 products, right? And all those products which you know, right, they are live also. I'll explain about that one. But let's directly jump into the upcoming batches and all, right? If you are interested to learn the real time IT corporate training, right, it's all about best IT corporate training for real time knowledge. And I am not someone who is not a publicly figure, right? So I am a purely public figure. Even if you wanted to know about my channel, my content, you can go through that one. And even you go to Google and simply search Abrosh Technology Services LLP. So this is, you can see, because this company is listed under Ministry of Common Affairs as well as MSME. It's a startup only, but yes, everything is legally correct. Okay, so you should not be worried of anything. Okay, now second part is like, see, as I said, if you're really interested, if you know about my content and all, so you can see, you can click on this enroll batches now. Okay, so as soon as you click on this enroll batches now, it will redirect you to the upcoming batches. So the most recent upcoming batch, it's going to be your batch 5 is there, which you see here, right? Batch 500 days of IT corporate bootcamp batch 5 is there, right? So this batch is going to start. It was supposed to start on 9th of October, but I have received multiple comments from different candidates from different social media platform. Sir, like October month is a festival season. Even I am also having some planned leaves and all, guys. So I'll be traveling. So now the start date of this batch 5, it's going to be 10th of November is full and final. And if you wanted to enroll into this batch, you need to click on this one. It will be redirecting you to the batch 5 page, right? Where you can even see on the top bar, there is a coupon code is also available, right? So if you are going with a full payment, then this coupon code you can apply and you are going to get a 10% discount immediately. Okay, fine, let's jump into this one, guys. And this is the announcement, but in this one there is a big announcement which you can see now. And also, if you wanted to know how my classes has been conducted in the previous batches, you just click on here and you can go through. Everything is there. It's available in my channel also, right? And how it has been done in batch 4 also, you can click on this video and you can go through how the batches conducted. Fine. Now, this training is all about 6 months training. There is not a one day short or one day more and all. Exactly 6 months training. So, if you are ready to challenge yourself, really, if you are interested to grow your career into IT industry, right? Because jobs are, I have answered many times. Okay, there are n numbers of opportunities are available, but we are trying where jobs are not there, right? So we should be in the right direction. Okay, so I'll be mentoring you throughout these 6 months. That is one part, but there are some other services also which we provide during these 6 months. So this is purely a online live classes. So there is a confusion from the candidate side. Sir, if it is a live classes, then how we are going to get the recordings? Because suppose if you are not able to join the live classes, so what should we do now? Yes, so you should not be worried on that part, because once you join the live classes used to record on a regular basis. That also I'll show you how it has been done for the previous classes. Okay, so I'll take you through my Google Drive, so you will get more idea onto this. Okay. See now, if I click on this one, my drive. Okay. So here you can see, just I'm taking a immediate previous batch, for example, right? So it's not only the video, okay, the class videos also I used to upload. And if I right click on this one, you see here, so there are, see, these are the candidates whose access, so those who have attending this live session or who have paid for this 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp live online batches, for them only these access are available. And this is a limited seats only, you also know, right? Hardly I take 50 candidates in one batch. Fine. Also, assignments is given to the candidates, important documents. Every day I used to execute some commands. Those commands also I used to update in the form of docs, that also candidates can go through at any point of time. Okay, fine. So this is there. Plus, there are some softwares also which I am giving to the candidates, that is absolutely free. They can go through these softwares, like if you can see here, so and they can install this software, right? So these are the softwares which I used to provide to my candidates and all. So yes, so this is there, guys. Plus this is, so you no need to worry that what will be, suppose, I know most of you are working professional, so either you are working in night shift or in day shifts and all, so sometimes it's impossible to join the classes. So you can go through the recordings, and if you have any queries and doubts, then you can ask your queries and doubt through our WhatsApp community, through our one to one also you can send the messages. Okay, so we'll be answering as per our service layer agreement or as per our SLA and all, right? Morning 10 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. between Monday to Friday, right? Same thing has been written here. You can see support, right? You can see the support also, personal assistance, like one to one messages you can send to me, or you can send right to the moderator. Okay, and even you can send the voice notes and also we'll be answering to your queries and all. That is 12 into 5 supports, right? So fine, guys. And now this is what the biggest announcement is there. The batch timing of this batch is going to be evening now, right? Why? Because there is also requests are coming, sir, please conduct these classes in the evening. Most of you are looking evening slots. Okay, so here I am, guys, for you. Now the batches which is supposed to start from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. in batch 5, now this batch is going to start from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. every day, Monday to Friday, right? So you have to make sure that if you wanted to join this one, so this timing is going to change. This is subject to change, guys. So this timing of batch 5, again I am repeating, the batch 5 timing, it's going to be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Friday every day. Why I am doing this one? Because recently also I'll show you. You know, everything I talk on the basis of data, right? So one second, guys. Yeah. So guys, I am going to share my screen once again. Just confirm me that you are able to see or not. Are you able to see my screen? Okay. So see, as I said again, it's all on the basis of data. So recently I did a poll also where you can clearly see I mentioned how many of you want 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp upcoming batches. So batch 5 is the upcoming batches, timing at 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., which is a regular one. But again, I am adding into that one 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. now. Okay, so The batch timing 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. It's almost 88% of the candidates are agree with the 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. I know this time is feasible for most of you, right? So I'll be waiting more and more feedback into this one. Mostly you can take it now as a guaranteed that this batch, that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp batch 5, is going to start from 10th of November. That is the full and final date. Plus it's going to be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. every day, Monday to Friday. Now, course language, as you know, it's going to be English. That is the standard one. And the course access validity, it's going to be 3 years. Very simple. Everything is going to be in the terms and condition also. What you need to do, you just need to click on enroll now. It will be redirecting you to one Google Doc form. Here you can see the timing is already changed from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Even the validity, everything. So once I have your consent, you go through the questions and all, right? All those questions, there is a list of questions will be there which you need to fill up. And once you have done submitting your form, I'll reach out to you, because normally I conduct a basic screening for all of my candidates. So I don't want crowd. I need really candidate who want success in their career, okay, and they are really interested to learn, right, of this IT industry, or they wanted to grow, right? So hardly maximum seat is 50, right? So seats are very limited in my batches. I don't take 100, 200, or 300 candidates, whichever the bandwidth I am having, right? So I should be taking full ownership and responsibility for you guys, right? For my candidates. So I am going to take their classes for next 6 months. What you are going to get in this course? Open challenge to anybody. I know you spend 1,000 rupees in pizza, you spend 10,000 rupees in gym and all, and you forgot, right? But the course fee, what is there? I am open challenge. Nobody is doing at this course fee. You go anywhere only for Linux, can any institute or any instructor, okay, online anywhere, minimum they are charging 20K or 15K, right? But in my course with all real time projects, you know about my content, and I'm very straightforward, guys. There is nothing in that one, right? So you go through this one, all this course content, even you no need to go for RHCSA training also. My training material is capable that you should be able to crack any interview related to Linux, right? Plus you should be able to clear the RHCSA exam 200 also. That is also one thing. Plus you should be able to work in your production environment also, right? So these are the course content which I'll be covering in Linux. Once I'll be finishing the Linux, then right, nowadays everybody wants to automate their environment. So there is a huge requirement of Linux automation engineer, cloud automation engineer. These roles are evolving. So either you should know Python or you should know shell scripting. So in shell scripting, I don't teach basic things and all. It's all real time scripts, and those scripts also you can access. See how I used to provide those scripts to my candidates and all. You will be understanding from here, right? So there is a script. This batch is already finished and all, okay? So you can understand from here. See, shell scripting, right? Shell scripting, course content, shell scripting, right? So for batch 2, right? See, these all are real time shell scripting. Guys, if you are coming to me, you should prepare, right? So that it is not something somebody came from teaching background and he started teaching. No, my teaching is absolutely different. I am basically, my classes is all about knowledge transfer, like how we work in our production environment, how in IT industry we work and all. Those real time scripts only I used to taught in my classes. More than 100 scripts will be there. Okay, so this will be there, right? Fine. So in shell scripting, I'll be covering all those things. Once we'll be finishing the shell scripting. Again, you go anywhere for Python, 20K minimum somebody is charging for that one, right? And then finally AWS, you know, there are 157 services are there in AWS, but I used to cover all. It's not only services I am covering, all the services which is mentioned over here I used to cover with 12 to 13 or 13 to 14 use cases. There will be a one big project will be there. In that big project, I'll be covering somewhere 13 to 14 use cases. Even if you mention one use case is one project only, that is enough for you to mention in the resume, right? Which you can mention in your resume. So that you can mention here, right? So that will be covered in AWS. And once AWS will be finished, in DevOps, see what all things I am covering with all real-time projects. The projects which I have done when I have been working with Accenture, I have been working with different companies, HCL and all HP, all those companies, right? All real-time projects will be there, guys, right? In my own infrastructure, which I used to explain, all this GitHub is there, then GitHub Actions is there, right? Ansible also will be covered in this course. You can see, right? Docker is also there. Kubernetes also I used to complete with real-time projects and all. You can go and see those some of videos. I have already Ansible videos I have already uploaded in my channel. Also, you will get an idea what sort of a content and what sort of a project I used to explain and what level of content is that. Then you will get more understanding. It's not some ABCD what others are doing. No, if I have to guide you, then I have to guide you properly, right? So then once we'll be finishing Splunk as a monitoring tool, Grafana is a monitoring tool, Terraform is also there, guys. Now again I am telling you, go and check only for DevOps. There are institute who is charging 2 lakhs, who is teaching all these things with even you are going to get a option of installment payment also, right? So after listening to my candidates, to my previous batches, or having almost teaching experience of, because I am passionate about this one from 7 to 8 years, right? So I'm helping, I'm trying to help with minimum possibilities for you guys, right? With true to my, because this is, see, the effort I am putting for that only I am charging, right? You spend money for pizza and burger 1,000 rupees like anything. You spend money in gym and all, but you don't go to gym and all, right? So for my effort only, and even Abhishek Roshan is not coming to you and telling you that, okay, once you get a package of 40 lakhs, 42 lakhs, so give me those salary. Did Abhishek Roshan ask these things to you? No. Even I'm not asking you to show the gratitude. I am just doing my own business, my own work with my honesty, and I am expecting you guys also should be doing the same thing. Then only the result will come. So if you are coming to my class, there will be a basic screening test also for every candidate I used to connect, and then only I am going to onboard them to my classes and all, right? And if you are willing to join my classes, you are most welcome. You can enroll yourself. I'll be connecting with you, or someone from my team will be connecting with you for the queries and all. Whatever the queries, before joining the classes, clear your all the doubts, then only join the classes and all, right? So this is the end what you are going to get. Plus there is a customized resume, so I'll be providing you a resume basically which is having all the roles, right? And you have to create a resume according to that, and I'll be validating that resume, right? Mock interview is also part of this course only. You have seen some of the mock interview in my channel. Assignments are there, technical resources like command script, SOPs and tools, as I said, that will be given to you, but it is not downloadable as per copyright content and all, right? So the course access validity, it's going to be 3 years. And interview preparation, even we are providing you interview questions, right? And answer for Linux, shell scripting, AWS and DevOps tools and all, everything. Career counseling is also part of. Guys, seriously, I'm telling you, nobody is doing this much only at this price. You can go through the prices and all. Even in that, also, you are going to get the option of installment payment, right? So I hope, and I'll be mentoring you. It's not only this part, plus mentorship is there. So if you are okay with all these things, and even with the terms and condition, because once you will go through the pay now page, once your queries will be solved, then only you should go through. So you can see you have these options. This is a customized payment gateway created by our team only, right? Where please go through all these agreements, terms and condition, read it carefully, because I know you guys don't read these things and all, right? Please read it carefully, and the batch you are going to select, you can select and you can join that one once your query will be done. But before that, you have to submit the form, okay, and enroll yourself. This is the process. Follow the process, I believe in that one, and then I'll be reaching out to you. Someone from my team is going to reach out to you to clear your doubts, your queries, and then you are going to onboard to the batches. This is the process, simple and easy. Okay, now I'll come to the questions over here. And again, I am going to the, I am putting the link over here, guys. Once again, where is that? Yeah, gosh. And those who are still confused, I know what others are doing. They are just putting the candidate images and all, and they are telling that they got placed from this institute and all. But in my case, as I said, I totally believe in data. Without data, don't come to me. Okay. If I have a data, then only I'm going to talk to you also. Okay. 100% proof. LHS equal to RHS. Okay. So here you can see, right? These are the candidates who has been placed from different batches, and they are telling by themselves only. This candidate testimonial, you can go through that. In my channel only it is available. Sorry, in my channel also, two of them are available, and soon it's going to be others will be available in my channel also. Plus, but if you wanted to know now, you can check in my website only. Okay, it's available, their videos are available, you can go through, you can listen to them. Okay, and you can take a decision. Decision is yours, it's your career, right? So again, I am putting the link over here, right? This is the main website, official website, right? And batch 5 link also, correct? You can directly click on this one, right? Now fine. So let me see some of the questions, guys. All right. So, how important to learn about the cluster management Linux rate out of 5? Okay. You are asking me only. Okay. Cluster is, see, in Linux, now it's more of a auto scaling. First of all, you have to understand, Krishna. Okay. Cluster management is completely a different thing. Cluster management is more important, but now all the on premises, okay, we are moving from on premises, either it could be hosted on VMware platform and all, right, or it is hosted in some OpenShift and all, right? So now we are moving from there, either Azure cloud, GCP cloud, or CC cloud and all, right? Even or your GCP cloud and all. CC is specific to SAP and all, right? So even I have worked with, see, I was as I said, when I was in Accenture, I worked for SAP, I worked for uh, this one, UHG and all, right? So those are the biggest client of Accenture and all. So in that case, right, so I was leading the team, and we were migrating their website, right, from their on premises to Azure cloud, GCP cloud, right, and AWS cloud, and there is a specific cloud to SAP also. So you have to understand one thing, Krishna, that cluster is absolutely fine, okay, but where you are learning those clusters and all, okay? So if you are talking about AWS and all, so in that case, right, you have to be understanding of auto scaling, how your auto scaling works, how your current state works, right? How it, see, auto scaling is something which is a service under high availability. Okay, so before, see, high availability, normally what we understand, it's just one service. No, high availability is a list of services. Okay, where it's not only your auto scaling is there, but that also your load balancing is also part of your high availability, right? So there are multiple services which makes high availability, where you are making sure that without having a single downtime your application is up and running 24 into 7, which anyways I am explaining in your this one, right, in AWS and all, right? So yes, it is important, but cluster management is very very important. I can give this one straightforward because I don't tell this that and all. So 5 out of 5. Okay, so cluster is a very very important point. Even in Kubernetes cluster, which I used to explain in Kubernetes cluster, where your main k master k nodes will be there, right? In your nodes your pods will be there, how we are managing different microservices in those clusters and all, right? So yes, cluster management is very very important, and that is what in Kubernetes also candidates, they don't know about the cluster management, how we manage a Kubernetes cluster and all, right? For the different microservices, normally what set of commands will be executing, and at the end of the day it's all Linux commands only. Okay, that is what. So yes, 5 out of 5 for a this one. Okay, cluster management is important. Okay, so first of all, Bobby Singh, hi. Thank you for joining this live session. Again, Nitin, hi, technical KH. Okay, Nitin Prakash. So, do you think there is a good future of Linux and Win and cloud? Absolutely. And again, I can prove this one with the data. Okay, in front of you only. Wait. You know, right? Abhishek Roshan always prove things. Okay, don't come to me without having even if you have some questions and all. Okay, simply for saying I don't say anything. Okay, so I'm going to share this one. Wait. Okay. I'm not promoting anything. Again, in front of you only. I'm just proving this is just like any job portal and all. Okay. You can go through any job portal. Even we have our own product, Fresher Tube, where we are providing hand-picked jobs for you. For all fresher, for all experience, Bangalore location, Hyderabad location, Chennai location, Pune location, and Kolkata location, guys. So you can see, right, the posts and all. For example, Accenture is hiring application tech support productioner and all. If you click on this one, so this will be directly, so we'll be providing you the link, right? And you no need to, because at the end of the day you should be applied to the correct portal, to the right company, right, to their portal. Then only your resume will be in their database, not the job portal database. Correct. So like what other job portal do, you click there, apply now, and you think that your job is, you have applied. Are you really out of your mind? Okay, or are you really thinking it's going to work like this? No, you have to go to their portal and you have to apply for that job. So this is what the solution we have given here in our Fresher Tube, right? You can go through, you can read out the complete job role, responsibility, and then just click on this one. It will be redirecting you to the Accenture portal there, and there you can go ahead and you can apply, right? So at the end of the day, you are sure that where you have applied, where you have uploaded your resume, you have to put an effort. Nothing comes without effort, guys. Okay, so this is there, and fine. In Fresher Tube there are some other features are also coming soon, like mock interview, career counseling, right? So but anyways, answer to your question straightforward, Nitin Prakash, right? Linux admin, you just see here, I'm just typing, just see, it's your answer only. Linux engineer, right? This is what you ask, right? Linux engineer, search this one, right? Now you'll see how much jobs are available, Nitin Prakash. 86,146 jobs are available. How much job you need? You need only one job, right? You need only one job. Boss, again I am telling you, and now again first let me prove, okay? Again, cloud engineer, right? Cloud engineer. Ask question to yourself, okay? But anyways, I have to answer your question. 86,960. All are cloud native engineer, cloud native engineer, cloud engineer, cloud engineer, right? 86,000. So here only almost 1.5 plus 1,50,000 jobs are available in front of you only. Like that, there is a Linux automation engineer, there is a, cloud automation engineer, system integration specialist, right? A platform engineer, site reliability engineer. So if you combine all these now, it will be cross more than 5 lakhs job. And you guys are telling jobs are not there. In which world you guys live? I don't know. Problem with us now, we only listen what others are saying, right? Oh, my friend, somebody told in the news AI is going to take the job. Are, did you try to dig out by yourself? Did you try to find out by yourself? Tell me honestly. I know we don't put effort only for anything. There is already heavy investment in the field of cloud. And you know, right? Cloud is not that cloud, right? Which make rain, right? Cloud is basically where you need your server, your networking, right? Do we need all these things or not? You really know the cloud definition or not? Most of you, your compute and all, right? So where this, how this networking is going to work? How the who all these servers are there? 95% servers are running on Linux, right? So where your application you are going to install, you need some infrastructure. If you have to live in a house, you are telling I am going to do interior in my house. Arey boss, first prepare how. First you have to make a infrastructure, then only you are going to do a interior. Application is just like an interior which makes your house beautiful. So the infrastructure is more important. Your server will be there, your networking will be there, your storage will be there, right? And these storage services, these networking devices, these servers and all is running on Linux. And also you have to automate also these things with the help of shell scripting. Where is database? Where is how where you are going to run on cloud only, right? And then finally, to make sure that you are going to do more and more automation for your application, you are going to use some DevOps tools. But the core, it's your Linux again, it's your shell scripting, it's your database, and it's your cloud. You go with any of the cloud, Azure cloud, AWS cloud, GCP cloud, right? Alibaba and all, any cloud, but one cloud you have to learn. Without learning these things, you are telling me that you are going to get a job. More and more investments will be there because these all things once your app, see, I know, right? So developers job is at stake. Reason is that, so no, it's not like AI is going to take the jobs of a developer. The people who is going to learn AI, they are going to take the job of a developer. And also, you can build an application once, but to manage and maintain that application, you always need a Linux. You always need for automation shell scripting or Python. You always need someone from database. You always need someone from the cloud and all. Tell me, is that did you get your answer or not, Nitin Prakash? So without thinking second, even now the developers are moving into this field. I call this field as a operation and management, which is evergreen, and there will be more and more jobs in this one. Even to run those AI tools, where is this Canva is running? All your chat GPT is running where? In air. in some server only. Who is managing and maintaining those chat GPT? All AWS, all those applications, your Amazon, the Flipkart, Amazon, any product where it is running, boss. What you are talking about? All these roles have a great future. All it is good, it is a evergreen only. System integration, especially platform engineer, production support engineer, application support engineer, your Linux administrator, Linux automation engineer, cloud engineer, cloud automation engineer, in that also senior cloud automation engineer, lead cloud automation engineer, DevOps role, lead DevOps role, like that. There are multiple roles. All these comes under only these four skill sets. If you are expertise of these four skill sets, you are done. You no need to worry. Okay. Today I have joined late, guys, and also there are few more things I should be telling you, that if somebody wanted to go to my channel, okay, there are things which I have arranged because I got comments from multiple candidates, sir. There is too much of video is available in your channel. Yes, I know, guys, because it's all about content, and I used to provide very useful contents and all. Okay, so now I have made things very easy for you. So let me share my screen and let me show you. Now it will be more easier for you. I have managed in a proper way, right? So let me show you. Okay, just let me know if you are able to see my screen. Can somebody confirm me is able to see my screen? Okay. See, guys, here Uh, I think people are not able to post. Or okay, fine. So here you can see now. I'll be looking at right side also. It is fine. I said I have two screens. Okay, so okay. Anyways, it is fine, guys. So there are playlists are available. What all playlists are available? So you go by playlist. I would suggest, and it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so see here, the first, so anyways, it is showing me like this, which is the latest video according to that. So there is a live streaming. I have conducted almost 59 live session on a regular basis. You can go through any of these live streaming, guys. Okay. In this one, you can see it's all live streaming and all. Okay. So this is a playlist, right, which is having the live streaming. So if you go to this one, I'll be sharing this link also with you. Okay, I'll be sharing this link. Let me share here. This is having the live one, correct? And if you wanted to know the candidate who got placed after doing my 100 days of IT corporate boot camp live online batches, okay, so you just click on candidate placement and you can see those videos. I'm going to upload more and more videos into this one, right? So everything is real and genuine. Okay, so now, so in DevOps, as I said, DevOps is already part of my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, right? So here also I have uploaded. It is from my classes only, but these videos are not full videos, obviously. Okay, so how the classes conduct, okay, how you can understand, you'll get an idea. The content only is going to tell you about that DevOps, what is DevOps, what is the DevOps misconception and all. For Ansible for DevOps, how I used to explain Ansible, what all things will be there in Ansible. Do you really know about Grafana? And also like this, I'll be uploading more and more videos from DevOps soon. Okay, so this is a playlist which is DevOps culture with DevOps tool, scratch to advanced level. You can check. Even if you wanted to learn Linux from scratch to advanced level, you can check all the videos. So those videos are there. Okay, here also. So this is there, right? And then finally, 30 days of AWS IT corporate bootcamp. You can click on this one. It is having AWS videos and all, right? Mock interviews, you can just go through. This is most important playlist and all, where you are going to go through how I used to conduct the mock interviews and all, what sort of a question I used to ask in the mock interview and all. You can go through these videos and all, guys, right? So this is going to help you if you wanted to go through the channel. Plus, see, career guidance and mentorship, I have made it very simple and easy. Career guidance and mentorship, how I used to conduct career guidance and mentorship for my candidates and all, right? So you click on this one. In this, anyways, if you are going to go through my playlist, you are going to find out more than 40, almost 30 plus. I would say like around 40 only. It's going to be 40 career. Nobody has done it like this, guys. Okay, it's available in my channel, right? And I'm not charging for these things and all. You can go through, anyways. And those who are going to join the 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, they are going to get these services free of cost. Okay, so this will be there. And then finally, you have AWS 300 real-time scenario-based question and answer. What are the salary in India for a DevOps engineer, for a Linux admin and all? And there will be more and more videos will be coming, especially in this playlist. Okay, salary in India, correct? So my channel is covering almost everything. Okay, nobody has done it or uploaded a video like this. It's all about, you can just go through the Linux bash shell scripting, real-time projects and all, Linux networking commands with troubleshooting and all, resume building, Linux server real-time projects and troubleshooting, right? You can check, guys, right? 50 plus shell scripting interview question answer, shell scripting videos are there, Linux 100 plus real-time scenario based interview. So there are so many playlists are there, guys, right? You can go through these playlists, right? And you are going to get more and more ideas. Okay, and at the same time, I request everybody, guys, please subscribe the channel. If you are going to subscribe my channel, then only it is going to give me, I'll get more and more confidence, right? So if you will be subscribing, then only I'll be able to come up with more and more videos, right? Because there are so many videos which is in pipeline, which I have to upload in the channel also, right? And at the same time, as I said, because for real time projects and all, you have to join my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp batches. The batch 5 is going to start soon. That is there. But the videos also, the interview question and answer, and I am covering everything, whether it's a career counseling, whether it's a mock interview, resume building, interview question and answer, and the technical stuff as it is. And soon podcast is also part of my channel, which is going to be uploaded soon. So you'll understand how basically people who are working in this IT industry for 15 years or 10 years surviving in this IT industry, you should be listening from them. Okay, so yeah, this is all about today's live session, guys. And I don't think so you have more and more questions. Okay, if you have any questions, you directly go through my website abroad.com. There is a submit contact form is there. You can submit there also, or you can directly send your query to support at the rate of abroad.com. Okay, you just directly send to this email ID. I'll be someone from my team, or I'll be answering to your question. Okay, fine. And go ahead and subscribe the channel, guys. Your support is much needed for me. And if you want to join the batches, okay, yeah, I'm happy to onboard you to the 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp batch 5, which is going to start from 10th of November, right? Go ahead and fill the form. If, because seats are very limited and all. Okay, so okay, guys, let's end up the session here only. Thank you for staying connected with me. Let's connect again next Sunday for the 60th live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. Till then, just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye, and Jai Hind.